Adverbs in Persian or Farsi language. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have part 2 of the adverbs in Persian or Farsi language. In the part 1, I talked about the 4 types of adverbs in Persian. Now here we're going to continue with 4 more adverbs in Persian. So if you didn't watch the part 1, you can click here, or also you can find the link in the description. Okay, let's move on. Number 5, adverbs of frequency. This adverb expresses the number of times a task is done. For example, دوباره, دیگربار. دیگربار is formal. We don't use it in spoken Persian. باز, دو مرتبه, مجدداً. Pay attention to the tanween. This is tanween. This symbol comes from Arabic language into Persian. And when you see tanween above the letter alif, you have to pronounce it like n. And the next example, hey. Hey is very informal. And we use it in spoken Persian. دوباره به کتاب فروشی برگشتم تا یک کتاب دیگه بخرم. دوباره به کتاب فروشی برگشتم تا یک کتاب دیگه بخرم. Also you can use باز. باز به کتاب فروشی برگشتم تا یک کتاب دیگه بخرم. Also you can use مجدداً. مجدداً به کتاب فروشی برگشتم تا یک کتاب دیگه بخرم. Also you can use دیگربار. But note that دیگربار is formal. Don't use it in spoken Persian. دیگربار به کتاب فروشی برگشتم تا یک کتاب دیگر بخرم. As you see, I change ی to یک and دیگه into دیگر. Because دیگربار used in formal and written Persian, so I change the rest of the sentence into a formal language. As you know, I have launched my Patreon account and you can find more examples about these different types of adverbs on my Patreon, so you can find the link in the description. And I really appreciate your support and help. And there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. Okay, let's move on. Adverbs of attitude. This adverb expresses the speaker's feeling and attitude towards a subject. For example, متاسفانه, افسوس, وای, دریغ, دریغا, خوشبختانه, با کمال شرمندگی. افسوس که مجبورم دوستانم را ترک کنم. As you see, افسوس is used in formal and written Persian. So I use the sentence in a formal way. Another example. متاسفانه امروز نتونستم به جلسه برسم. متاسفانه امروز نتونستم به جلسه برسم. Adverbs of exclamation. This adverb shows the surprise of the speaker. For example, عجب, شگفتا. Note that شگفتا is very formal and only used in literature and formal Persian, in written Persian. وا, به به, چه عجب. Let's use it in some sentences. چه عجب, بالاخره تکلیفات رو انجام دادی. چه عجب, بالاخره تکلیفات رو انجام دادی. When I spoke fast, I said تکلیفاتو. I omit the he sound in تکلیفات and re sound in رو, which is the informal pronunciation of را. It turns into تکلیفاتو. چه عجب، بالاخره تکلیفاتو انجام دادی. Another example. به به، هوا چقدر خوبه. Adverbs of emphasis. This adverb is used to express emphasis. حتماً، یقیناً، مطمئناً، قطعاً. You can see tanveen in these four words. حتماً, يقيناً, مطمئناً, and قطعاً. And as I said before, when you see this symbol above the letter alif, you have to pronounce it like n. حتماً, يقيناً, مطمئناً, قطعاً. And other examples, بیشک، بدون تردید. بدون تردید. Let's use them in sentences. حتما به دیدن مادر بزرگم خواهم رفت. Or also in spoken Persian you can say میرم. حتما به دیدن مادر بزرگم میرم. Also you can use another words instead of حتما. Like قطعا. قطعا به دیدن مادر بزرگم میرم. مطمئناً به دیدن مادر بزرگم میرم. Or also another sentence, یقیناً شما رو خواهم دید. Note that usually یقیناً used in a formal way. It's more common to say in spoken Persian حتما شما رو خواهم دید or حتما شما رو میبینم. Well guys, that was the part 2 of the adverbs in Persian or Farsi language, and I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments and I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you want to support me, don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Persian with Asal channel and also like the video. For more support, you can join my Patreon account and you can find the link in the description. So if you have any questions, if you have any idea to create or make a video about that, don't hesitate to write them in the comments. I will check all of your comments as soon as possible and I will answer you. Well, بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.